Hello friends, I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can make or how we can prepare the notice of a program like invitation card. Okay, so let's we move towards our today's video. Friends, if you are new watcher in this channel, if you are new watching me, then please subscribe this channel for getting the latest and new videos to you. Okay, let's we move towards our today's video. So it is in the 7th standard 1.5 chapter Seeing Eyes Helping Hands that we learn, and we made this type of invitation card. Okay, so now next we're going to learn how we can make the notice. Okay, so this type of notice, the format is here. If we have a program, then how we can invite to the people for that program. So we can call them, we can notice them, we can send them the invitation card. So like that notice, it is one of the way that we can call to anybody, or that we can call to the people to attend the program. So like this, here is a format. Notice: students of standard 7th and their parents are invited to the inauguration of the project. Now it is the notice to whom? To the parents of the 7th standard. Okay, and this invitation is for what? For inauguration. And which type of the inauguration? The inauguration of the project. And what the project is? The project is the Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Okay, so this project is there. Then at the hands of who will inaugurate this? This will inaugurate the by the Srimati Vimala Naik, who was the former principal of the New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Then all this information we have to put into the notice. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. And now here is the time: 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9 July 2017. Then venue, the address is there: Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. So this is the notice. Okay, so here is this formula. You please see this formula again and you make a notice. Okay, invite to the parents for 15 August program which is held in your school. Okay, so this type of homework you can do at your home. Then next is, here are 2 points. Many times the school authorities have to communicate with your parents. How is it done in your school? How are written communications sent? Okay, so many times that happen. The teacher, though they sent you the notice, though they sent you the invitation card, but they also make a phone call at your home. So what is that communication? How it will be the communication? Video teachers help get 2 or 3 specimens of the notices, announcements put up on the school notice board. So this type of work that we have to do. Now let's see here. Here is a one sample. Teacher made phone calls to some special invitees. Here is a sample one such telephone conversation. So here is the sample of conversation. How the teacher communicate with the invitees, special invitees. Okay, so the receptionist who received the call: hello, Girgaon Times. Okay, though, so receptionist said there, hello, Girgaon Times. So this communication is on the telephone. Teacher said what? Teacher said, look, good morning, I'm Vishwas Ajinkya from New High School. Okay, so the teacher is saying that he is the teacher in New High School. He is teaching there. Then, could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please? So he politely requests to that receptionist to speak to the Mr. Shashank, who is news editor. Okay. Then receptionist, just a second. SEC, it means second, just a second. Then teacher, thank you. he politely said a reply to the just a second. So what the teacher replied? Thank you. Then news editor, he is now on the call. Hello, Mr. Ajinkya, Shashank speaking. So he said hello to the Ajinkya, to the teacher, and he said again the Shashank is speaking, means that news editor is speaking. How are you? He asked to the teacher, how are you? So it is something communication. It is the type of something communication that whenever we call to the anyone, so at that time we have to ask like this, okay, hello, how are you? So like that. Then teacher, fine, how are you? And then in the reply he said fine, and what about you? So he is asking again in the reply, how are you? Then news editor says fine. The teacher then said, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. So the teacher request to the Mr. Shashank, and what he request and for what? I'm calling from New Vision High School. So he explained himself as a teacher. He is teaching in New High School, and the call is from that school. So our school is starting a new social work project. Now the school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. The inauguration is on the Sunday which is coming. Okay, so on that Sunday the program is held. Then we are sending you the official invitation today. So he said, we are sending you the official invitation today. Then news editor said, I see. I see it means not I'll see. I see it means okay, fine, okay. Then teacher, our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. So teacher said to that news editor, what he said, that their idea is to aware to the students of the social responsibilities. Okay, then it will be a big project, and we hope it will set a trend for all schools to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. So he request to the that news editor, you please come here and cover all this function. Okay, then news editor, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day. So he said in the reply, this Sunday is a very busy day. He has a lot of work. Then, but as you say, then again he is converting his sentences, his view. As you say, the project is an important one. It should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? So he is asking, when did you say the function is? So it means first he said he was very busy. Then again he said, okay, the program or the project is very important, so I'll attend this for publicity. And then he asked, when did that function is? Then teacher said, this Sunday at 10 in the morning. At 10 it means the on the time of 10. Okay, this Sunday the time is 10 in the morning time. Then news editor says, fine, I have made a note of it. So he put a note on it, and then teacher said, thank you very much. Now the call is over here. When the teacher asked him, you come to the that project, that program, and the news editor said that day he was so busy. Again he said, okay, you tell me again when that program is held. So he said again, and the last is thank you very much. So this is the end of the conversation or the communication. So this is the oral communication on the phone call that we have seen. This is the format of oral communication. Okay, oral communication on phone call. Now next, here is the also oral communication or oral invitation. Students passed on the message to their parents. Here is a sample. So another one is the sample of here of the oral communication or oral invitation through the students. Mummy, you and daddy are invited to our school on Sunday the 9th, said Samir. So Samir said that he said to the mummy and daddy that you are invited to his school. Okay, at the 9th, Then what is the occasion? Father or mother, they ask to their son, what is the occasion, what is the occasion? Then our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There is a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. So he said his school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes and Helping Hands. So for that function, all the students parent invited to it, and so he said to his parents, then where is it, where is it? Then in the school assembly hall, he said, parents asked to the boy, where is it, where the function is? Then the boy said, in the school assembly hall, the function is held in the school assembly hall. Then how long will it be? So the parents asked how long it will be. Then about an hour. Mrs. Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. So Mrs. Naik is there and she will be inaugurate. So the program and the function time, it will be go on on an hour. Okay. Then I see, and what's this project about? So the parents ask what the project is all about. Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others turn by turn. They will explain that on Sunday. So all that explanation will be on that function. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? So the parents asked to that boy, yes, mommy. Then he said, yes. Let's see, daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. So that mother said, if means possible, then they both can come, but if not, then she can come with the with her boy. Then that would be nice, because Mr. Ajinkya has especially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. So he said to the mom that Mr. Ajinkya sir or teacher, he has especially asked to all the students to tell this message to their parents. So this is another one, oral invitation. Okay, so this type of invitation that we can make. So you prepare one occasion and give the invitation to your parents. What you will give? So here is the 15 August tomorrow. So on that day, there is a special program in our school. So you tell this message to your parents. This is something about the English speaking practice. Okay, then here is a workshop. So this workshop we'll see in next class. Okay, so prepare the homework. As I told you, what the homework is, you prepare the notice on the occasion of 15 August. Okay, and then you prepare the oral invitation, both type. Okay, on the phone call also and this type of also. So you prepare these both communication or oral invitation, and occasion is 15 August. Okay, so I'll stop here. I hope I clear my point here well. If you have any problem, any doubt, then you can comment in the comment box, or if you want suggest me anything, then please comment me in the comment box. If you like this video, then please subscribe this channel and share it to all your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye.